Hi, today I want to come on here and share a little bit more with you about this portable washing machine that I just received. I have it set at the 10-minute mark here. I have some rags, special rags that I have that needs a special detergent, and it's such a small load, this is perfect for that. This is nice and lightweight, it's collapsible, it only weighs 3 pounds. As you see, it's done, and to empty out the water, you have this nice tube that you attach in the back and release the water, and then you squeeze your clothes out or whatever you have in there dry and hang it up. It does have this nice convenient handle.